Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ow and I. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ow sound in the word crowd. Crowd, crowd. Now the I sound in the word cried. Cried, cried. Now I will use them both in a sentence. She cried to the crowd. She cried to the crowd. She cried to the crowd. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!